This video will show you how you can connect your Shopify store to your RepairDesk account. To start the process, we're first going to log into our RepairDesk account, and from the menu on the top right, we're going to select Integrations. We'll be taken to the Integrations page, where we can scroll down and select Shopify. Now, we're at the Shopify integration page. In a new tab, open up your Shopify store, then copy the link to it and paste it in RepairDesk. The link should read your store's name.myshopify.com. Once you've pasted it into the field, click on Connect to Shopify. You'll now see a screen in Shopify asking you if you want to install the RepairDesk Point of Sale app. Click on the button to proceed. You'll now be taken to the Shopify billing page. Click on the button to approve your subscription to the RepairDesk Point of Sale. Once you're done, you'll be taken back to RepairDesk, and now your integration has been enabled. You'll see a notification on the top confirming that your authentication was successful. And that was how you could connect your Shopify store to your RepairDesk account.